Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create CoinMarketCap account. So if you also want to create CoinMarketCap account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So CoinMarketCap is a website that provides information on cryptocurrencies including prices, market capitalization and trade volumes. It is a trusted source for cryptocurrency data for investors, institutions and media. So if you also want to create CoinMarketCap account, for that first of all what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in coinmarketcap.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of CoinMarketCap. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Simply tap on the option login that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. If you already have the account, go ahead and log into your account. But if you want to create the account, simply click on the sign up option that you can see right over here on your screen. So you can create the account with Google, Apple, Binance or Wallet, or you'll also be able to continue with email. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you want to continue with email, simply click on the field of email address. Now enter your email address over here. Now after that what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. Create a very strong password for yourself. Now after that what you have to do is click on this option, create an account, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here the link will be sent to your email address. So simply open your Gmail, go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. You can see over here I've received the email from CMC account. All you have to do is click on it. Now over here you'll be able to see the verification code. Or you can also see the option click here to verify account. If you want to verify your account, simply click on this option, click here to verify account, or simply memorize this code. Go back to the CoinMarketCap tab. Now what you have to do is click on this option, enter verification code. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here you've successfully signed up. Simply click on the option next step. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is complete your profile. All you have to do is set your avatar and nickname over here. You can also upload the photo. If you want to upload the photo, simply click on the option upload. After that simply upload the photo of your choice. You can see over here I've uploaded my photo. Now what you have to do is choose your nickname. Simply choose a nickname for you. Now after that what you have to do is click on the option save and get your gift, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here your CoinMarketCap account will be created. So that is how you create CoinMarketCap account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.